Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 11 here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text size or the font size in Windows 11 here. So if you want to use or get the bigger size of font, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, you just need to go to start menu here, click on start menu. Then you have to go to settings option here, tap on or click on settings here. After opening the settings option here, in the left here, you need to click on accessibility option here. As you can see with the human icon, click on accessibility. And here you will find the option of text size here, which is also the font size. So click on text size. And here you will find the option of the choose to bigger text, or if you have bigger text font size, you can also get smaller font size. So if I just run this option here, as you can see, the words will get bigger. So if you want bigger size, you can minimize that or you can reduce the size here. So for example, I'm just choosing this option here, and you just have to click apply here, and here you just have to wait for a second. And as you can see, the text size or the font size is getting bigger here. So if you don't like this option, you can also minimize this and click apply here. And you can get to the normal text size of Windows 11 here. So that's it guys, this is how you can change the text size of the fonts of text size in Windows 11 here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.